24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publisher.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In today's video, we will cover the topic of biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials from Chapter 4 of Science Grade 5 of Snowman publishers. The video will cover biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials, ways to reduce non-biodegradable materials. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon the previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them the questions like, what is waste materials? What type of waste do we produce daily? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed, and write the responses on the board. With the help of the textbook, tell the students what biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials are. Prepare pictures of biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials in the form of cards. Make a table on the board with 2 columns. Write biodegradable in one and non-biodegradable in the other. Place the pictures on your table. There should be enough pictures for all the students. Ask the students to come one by one. Try to identify the waste material and then paste it in the correct column with the help of tape. Once all the students have taken their turn, ask them to take a look at the board and check whether they have identified the waste materials correctly. If a card is pasted in the wrong section, replace it by the correct one while telling the students why it belongs to the other section. Then, with the help of the textbook, further elaborate the differences among biodegradable and non-biodegradable materials. After this, conduct a discussion in the class on the methods that can be adopted to reduce the non-biodegradable materials, waste. Explain to the students the 3R strategy with the help of the textbook. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to recycle a can into a pencil holder. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.